Welcome friends, welcome back to our channel. Uh, Today we will discuss about the forecast for Nifty for tomorrow, that is 7th November. Before going into the video, the usual request, please give a like to this video and share it to your friends or relatives whoever is interested in markets. In description of this video, I have given our Telegram channel links. If you are interested, you can also join our Telegram channel and continue over there, where we will post our calls or market updates during market hours. Now we will move on to our analysis part. The same Nifty charts which we are seeing for last couple of days. Nifty crossed the first hurdle yesterday, Friday. Crossed the second hurdle also by today itself. In fact, it has taken rest at the third hurdle. What is the third hurdle? You all very well know the first hurdle, second hurdle. But the third hurdle is 20 simple moving average. Always the middle line of the Bodinger brand is the 20 simple moving average. Exactly closed at the 20 simple moving average. Exactly. So it is likely to act as a resistance for short term. Short term in the sense, for maybe 1 or 2 days. That's all. Post that, it will definitely move on the higher side. Why I am saying is because this 100 simple moving average, the pink line which is over here, just a moment. Everything is getting highlighted, actually speaking. This pink line, this pink line which is pink and ending just above the 20 simple moving average, will act as minor hurdle. So this range, this 20 simple moving average and this 100 simple moving average will act as a minor hurdle, maybe for 1 or 2 days, post which we will be taking that also out and moving on the higher side. We are slowly crossing one by one hurdles. 10 simple moving average, then first hurdle which is August low, then the second hurdle which is October low. Now it is 20 simple moving average. Maybe we will take some kind of rest and then move on, right? So if you ask me what will be the support for tomorrow, then it will be today's low. 19309 will be the first support, and then the next support will be yesterday's high. Yesterday's high in the sense Friday's high, 19276. So as long as 19276 holds, bulls need not worry. Even if that 19276 goes, the next support comes in at 10 simple moving average, which is at 19129. I don't think tomorrow we will break that second support also. Most probably we may come near that zone and we will fly on the higher side again. If my guess is right, we might not even come to the second support zone. Probably worst case scenario, we may come to the first support zone and then move on the higher side. As I always say, whatever is the resistance while moving from down to up will become the support when coming from upside to downside. So in such case, this low will become a support, and then the next support will be previous day's high, right? And the resistance point I have already mentioned, exactly at 20 simple moving average. 20 simple moving average will be the first resistance, and then the next one will be coming at 100 simple moving average, post which we can expect 19528. Any close above 19528, this super trend will give you a buy signal. This one here, it has given a sell signal, right? This one will start giving a buy signal when Nifty closes above 19528. At that juncture, don't ever dream of shorting Nifty. Whatever the scenario may be, every dips will get bought into from there on. So this is for Nifty. Now we will move on for Bank Nifty. It's a surprise again. 3 continuous days of doji and a fourth day where the open and close are almost similar. I'm speaking about the body of the candle. You might not have seen, I'm not sure about whether you or not, but I have not seen this kind of structure in Bank Nifty for the past 10 years. Not for 1 year or 2 years. For the past 10 years, I have not seen this kind of candlesticks forming in Bank Nifty, that too. Wherever it opens, it closes at the same level plus or minus 10 points. See over here on the first day, open is 42,694 and the close is 700, which is only 6 points range. And then the next day, 43,018 closes 43,017. It's hardly 1 point. Then the next day, 43,318 43,318.25. It's hardly 5 paise. Now today it's again 43,627, 43,628. Hardly 25 paise differences there between the open and close. In between it moved 50 points up or 100 points down or something like that, but the close and open almost remains the same. To be honest, I have not seen this kind of candlesticks forming in Bank Nifty for the last 10 years. And moreover, it has crossed the falling trend line which we were speaking about for the last 4 days. From here onwards, we are speaking that, right? It needs to cross that falling trend line. Only then we can expect a good up move. That was the thing which we are discussing about for all these 4 days. And finally, it closed above that falling trend line, and all of a sudden Bank Nifty had started outperforming Nifty. It took out the 100 200 simple moving average, and immediately on the very next day it took out the 20 simple moving average also, whereas Nifty has closed exactly at the 20 simple moving average. If you zoom out this chart and see over here, the close is marginally above the 20 simple moving average. If you want to show me the exact number, this is the 20 simple moving average. 43,549, whereas it closed 60 points above that particular zone. So this is a positive sign for Bank Nifty. The culprit over here is HDFC Bank is not performing up to the mark or up to the expectations of ours. It is slowly grinding like a snail, whereas others are moving in a good wavelength. But one fine day he will also pick up. When he picks up, there will not be any huddle. All these moving averages, this sky blue color 50 and this pink one 100 and the super trend zone, everything will be taken out when he starts performing. But as of now, we are speaking for tomorrow. If you ask me whether everything will be done tomorrow, I don't have an answer for it, because markets are expected to do the unexpected things. If I say no, it will happen it will happen tomorrow. It may happen tomorrow. If I say yes, it will not happen tomorrow. So I don't want to give any false commitment for you. For tomorrow, the first hurdle would be 43,989. this super trend zone. Once he closes above this particular zone, then there will be a continuation of up move. And as I said earlier, for Nifty, once it crosses above the super trend value, then it will give you a buy signal. The same thing here we are seeing sell signal, right? Similar way we will be seeing a buy signal over here. Once there is a buy signal from super trend, for the next 5 days that trend will continue. And I don't know how many people are remembering this fact. 2 days back I have mentioned saying Nifty futures has punched in freaky high of 19451 2 days back. I'm saying about 2 working days of market. Now don't consider the Saturdays and Sundays. 2 days back, and we are expected to test that zone in spot within next 10 trading sessions. Actually speaking, it has taken only 2 sessions to almost come to that particular zone. Look at the high of today for 19423. Actually speaking, it has to come to 51, right? So which means 28 points shortage. Most probably, if things go good, probably tomorrow also it will punch in that particular zone. See, these are all freaky observations which I have uh, keenly watched over the period of 16, 17 years of my trading experience. These things might be very, very silly for you, but these things work to the core. Work to the core in the sense more than 90% accuracy. When a trader trades at 60% or 70% accuracy, he is called as a good trader. Then imagine about 90% accuracy. These things will not give many opportunities, but whenever it gives, you should not miss that opportunity. I can give you one other example. Actually speaking, Bajaj Finance has punched in um, a freaky high of 7650, I think so, today morning, and then it was trading at 75 74 60 70 odd zones. If you go through in our WhatsApp groups where I am, I I would have clearly mentioned it has punched a freaky high, so that particular high should be coming in spot within next coming few sessions. Today itself, actually speaking, Bajaj Finance has crossed 7,600, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, see this. 7,571 is the high. I was speaking about futures, I believe. So actually speaking, 7,555. This is the high. Since I normally trade only in futures, very rarely I take cash positions, and that too only for investments. I don't trade in cash segment at all. I do that only for investments. While trading, when it comes to trading, I trade only in futures segment. So that came into my mind. I have said that Bajaj Finance was trading somewhere around 7460 odd levels. Actually speaking, it is in futures. In futures, it has moved to 7600 actually. Look over here. It will be permanently in my watch list. See this high 70. I mean, last traded price is 75.98. And if you see what is the high, it will be 76.50. That was the freaky number which has come at opening. If you want, you can see the charts also. Let me change it to a simple chart where you can see it very clearly. Look at the high over here. Very first candle, it punched a freaky high, and then from there it's a one-way journey all the way down. Up till 76.10, 76.15 or levels. So these are all freaky observations, as I said earlier, but these will work to the core. If you want, you can practice that also, or observe such kind of things. I can only try to educate you people. Taking it to your knowledge and remembering it is up to you. So coming back to Bank Nifty, like I said earlier, we have crossed the resistance, and now if you ask me whether we can go and chase it, I would say no. Why? Because any resistance which has been taken will be retraced in next couple of days. Probably if Bank Nifty moves higher, just leave it as it is. Let him come down. When he comes down and tries to test this falling trend line, you may enter a long again. So for me, Bank Nifty is a wait and watch for me, and then Nifty we can initiate trades based on our earlier levels given. When it comes to support, we can buy it, but I will not short either of these indices. Since I'm expecting any to buy at lower levels, it doesn't mean that we can short at higher levels. Please listen carefully to my words. I'm saying if there is a drop till this zone, I will be a buyer. That doesn't mean I need to short here and wait for a down move. Okay. So for supports, if you look for this today's low 43,415 will be the first support, and then the next support will be coming at this particular trend line. Most probably it will be around the 200 simple moving average, which is at 43,210. So that's all we have for now, guys. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.